Hi, I'm Patrick, and I am going to show you a little something about reports and custom reports. I'm actually going to make two videos going into detail on how to make that custom report. Each one is slightly different, but what I'd like to do first is show you a quick overview of what reports are, and then describe the two different types of reports so you know which of the other two videos to look at. So if you click on reports here, once you're logged in, you're going to see you've got this little chart here. This chart's not that interesting. It's just a demo account, so there's not a lot of package activity. But if you wanted to, you can click what you show and what you don't show here, and you can make things go in and out, like for instance packages in, packages out, or printed and non-printed, etc. So you can see we could change that, and also you could change the duration to week or month. Okay, and then down below here we have our standard report. So this is what we kind of have by default, and you can click any of those to run. If you want to run that report and it's close to what you want but not quite, you can hit clone, you make a copy of it, and then you could save it, and that'll go into your custom reports, which I will go into some detail in one of the two other videos, but suffice to say that they are here and you can run them. Now there's two basic types of reports, so I'm just going to pull these up. We've got summary view and list view. Now let's take a look at summary view first. Both of these two reports, I'll just flip back and forth, they're showing basically the same information. They're showing me all the packages that have come in the last 10 months, so basically this year. So this is a summary report, and a summary will show you, we want to summarize it by the carrier. So show me breakdown by carrier. So in this case, you can see there's 17 for USPS, 95 packages that were system generated, and 31 for this carrier YRC. FedEx had 11, etc. Okay, so you can see it's a breakdown, and there's also a total right here. So it's not showing me the packages, but it's summarizing them in a way that we could quickly look at and understand. As opposed to if I did the same packages but I did it in a list, if I do a list view, it'll literally show me every single package. And there are times when this is the best way to do it, and there are times when the summary is the best way to do it. Okay, in both cases I can easily go through here and I can print this report or export it. In the case of the list, I can export it into an Excel file. I think it's the case for both of these. Same things here, I could print it or I can export it. Okay, so I can do that on either of these. This is just the web view, but a list is showing me every single package there is, and a summary is just taking one of the columns, in this case carrier, but I could have done any of the columns, and summarize the columns. So it'll tell me how much of each type. If you try summarizing the tracking number, it'll wind up looking like a list because every tracking number is unique. But if you summarize something else, like who checked the packages in, or who checked the packages out, or you know, what shelf they're on, or are they boxes or letters, you'll get a very simple and abbreviated, like this, smaller list. So that's it. Summary versus list, and a brief overview of the graph here and some of the custom reports. I will do two other videos, one showing you how to do a custom summary and one showing you how to do a custom list view.